Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am back. I have just finished exams and I am here to film some videos for you guys because I finally have my life back. I will sort of do a chit chat about what's happened and how I feel, because if you guys have asked me questions about the exam and all of that stuff, because I thought I might do like a what's in my bag with like the bags that I was using when I was studying. So I will talk to you guys a bit more about what's been happening to me when I do that video. But today I did want to do a handbag unboxing, and this bag is actually the very first brand new handbag that I bought from Gucci. And I don't think any of you guys know what this bag is, except for Jen, who I actually got in contact with about this particular bag because she's basically the only one I know who has it also. And I actually purchased this 4 months ago, like as in I put the money for it, but it was back ordered for so many months. I actually forgot about it until Gucci sent me an email saying they withdrew this money, this bag is on the way, and I was like, okay then. And I was really hesitant on whether or not I was going to keep it. I was going to film a video to ask you guys' opinions, but I was still a bit like, oh, should I? But I think I might, just because it is a trend piece, and I know it's probably like not gonna be something that's gonna be around for a long time, but the price point wasn't too bad on it, and I was after something like this for a while, and I was looking at getting a Chanel bag and all these other brands, but this was for the money, for what it is, the cheapest that I could find for sort of the quality. And so I think I'm leaning more towards keeping it, but I still wouldn't mind getting your thoughts on it and letting me know what you guys think. But without further ado, let's get on to the unboxing. So it is a brand new Gucci piece. I actually bought it online, but when you purchase an item from Gucci online, they actually pack it up like in a shopping bag and everything. So I actually already opened this. I unboxed it as soon as I received it, but I packaged it all up for you guys so you can see how it came in. So it came all wrapped up in this Gucci box. The Gucci packaging, I have to admit, is very nice. So taking that off, opening the bag, there you are. And I don't know if you can tell what it is already, but let me just get it out of the bag. To reveal you guys my latest handbag, and that is the small Gucci bum bag. I know, what the heck, right? So it's just so completely left field for me, and who would actually put the money towards a designer handbag? I don't know, I'm crazy like that. But I was actually looking at getting a bum bag for a while, and I was actually looking at getting the Chanel vintage bum bags from like the 90s online as a secondhand purchase. But my god, those bags have gone up in price so much in the past few months. They're like retailing, or they're selling for like 2,000 Australian dollars. I'm like, damn, I don't know if I would put that much money towards like a bum bag. And as much as I loved it, I was just like not convinced that it was worth that much. And I did actually put money down for like, I did actually put one down for like a patent version, and I paid like 1.5, but then I sort of, I cancelled it halfway through, and I was like, nope, and had the item returned. So I chickened out of that one. It was just a lot of money. Whereas this bag, it is an all leather piece, and this is like made of this calf skin leather material, so it's not lambskin. It's like quite durable, and it's in like the actual bum bag style, which I actually really wanted. This is the small version, so this is much smaller than the original style, which as soon as I saw the small, that was what actually drew me to it, made me purchase the bag. I was also looking at the Gucci canvas version as well, but I felt like this was a little bit more, I don't know, I just really like the all leather appearance of it. This, when I purchased it, they only had it in black, and then a few months after, they also came out with the cream version. So I was like so hesitant. I did not know what to do, and that's why I talked to Jen about whether I should get the white or the black, and I'm still like not sure whether to get the white or the black, but I'm leaning more towards the black just because it's a bum bag. So like if I'm wearing it across my body, or you know, on my waist, which I do plan on doing, I feel like black is a little bit more versatile, and black is a little bit more forgiving in terms of the rubbing. And the white is just very like in your face. It's just very like out there. So I wasn't sure if I wanted to go something a little bit more subtle, although the white is also a lot more fresh. It looks a little bit newer. So yeah, I don't know. I'm still really not sure. Like even now sitting down, I'm like not sure whether to keep it, but I do really like it. And I think, you know, for the price, which is 950 Australian dollars, I really don't think that it's too bad. The larger version retails for $1,500 or $1,600. So I will put links to this bag in the info bar. They have the small version in a pink and a white and a black, so you guys should check it out if you are interested. And then inside, it's really simple. It actually doesn't fit a lot. You could probably put a wallet in here, your phone, and maybe your sunglasses, so not a lot. If you were going to put like a vlogging camera, you can't really fit too much more in there. So it's not supposed to be something that you pack a lot in, but because I'm petite, I really wanted to get the smaller version just so that it doesn't sort of overwhelm me completely. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Pretty plain, no pockets in the inside and no pockets on the back. And the web strap is just the typical Gucci red and green. I got the extra small waist size, and this comfortably fits around the highest part of, or the smallest part of my waist, which is what I really wanted. I wanted something that was actually like a waist bag, because I kind of don't hate that look, but I also wanted something that can swing around and I can wear sort of on my body just like this. So this is typically how I would wear it most of the time, but I also like being able to sort of put it on my waist just like this. So with this particular bag, it does come with like this adjustable strap. This is very tedious, unfortunately. Just because it's not one that you just have this strap that you can tie, it comes around, so it's, you know, I mean, it looks but it's just a little bit fussy to, you know, adjust. You can see it takes a few more minutes than, you know, just put a belt, but you can just unhook and adjust. So this is what that looks like. Okay, so I am a size 6 Australian, sometimes size 4, and this fits me really comfortably on the waist, so like just an actual waist bag. And then if I show you what fits inside, obviously you have to carry your phone, so you can go ahead and do that. For a wallet, I mainly carry a key clay, so like this Louis Vuitton clay pochette, and then so you can just put that inside just like that. Obviously the bulkier it is, the tighter it becomes on your waist. I might just loosen this up a little bit. The only negative part of this bag is honestly this waist. I hate how you adjust it. It's so... Got my wallet in there, my phone. What else can I put? Hand sanitizer. Let's say this is like a chapstick or a lip gloss. This is actually just like my concealer. Pop it in there. Now, I have my sunglasses here. I think it would be far too big to put on top. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it out and just pop it on top like this. And so that's what it looks like on the waist. So it's a little bit bulky on the waist, but it lets you be hands-free, which is really cool. And yeah, you can pop this on top of a jacket or a blazer and sort of just use this as a belt. Or you can pop it on the back if you wanted, just like that. Very easy. And then in terms of changing it over, you do have to adjust it like before. I think lengthening it is a lot easier than tightening it, because you can just basically do this. You know, and then it is the longest. You can choose to get a longer version, which will be really good to sort of wear across the body. Or you can choose to get the small size, which is what I have. So yeah, that is basically it. In terms of what else, you could probably fit something else just a little bit smaller, maybe a contact lens solution just inside there. So this actually isn't too packed, especially if you wear it like this. Obviously on the waist it's a lot tighter because it's a lot bulkier. That is my bag. That is the Gucci bum bag. I do really like it. I'm hoping that I will get a lot of wear out of it. I understand that it is very, very trendy and it probably won't last for a long time, but I think for the price, for a trend piece, it's not too bad. I never want to spend too much on a trend item just because you know that it's not going to last. But you know, bum bags, they circulate, and I don't have like a sort of designer bum bag like this, so it's not bad. And considering like secondhand old vintage bum bags are going for this price anyways, why not buy a new one? So that is it. That is my bum bag first impression, what fits and how it looks. But that's pretty much it, you guys. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I'll put links to this bag in the info bar below. Stay tuned, I will be filming more videos and I will be right back with a what's in my bag / review on 2 of the bags that I have been using non-stop lately as part of like study and work, and I just wanted to give you guys my 2 cents on it because I haven't really done like an updated sort of review or wear and tear or anything like that on these 2 bags. But yeah, that is it. Hope you guys are having a wonderful week or weekend. Thank you so much for joining me again, and I'm so glad and happy to be back. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.